Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on portable hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy A16. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy A16 and you are wondering how to turn on portable hotspot. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Samsung Galaxy A16 settings section. After click over there, you need to click here connections. After click over connections, you will see a screen appear just like this. You need to click here mobile hotspot and tweeting. Now you need to click here mobile hotspot, and in this screen you will see your Wi-Fi name and password. So you can easily customize whatever Wi-Fi name you want, and also you can customize the password you would like, and then you can make it here save. And now if you decide to turn on mobile hotspot, you can simply turn this on. So when you click turn on, your screen going to appear. If your Wi-Fi is turned on, you can just click here turn off, and immediately your phone going to turn off Wi-Fi, and then your phone going to turn on data, and it's going to be turn on this Wi-Fi hotspot icon. Now you can see I had successfully turned on Wi-Fi hotspot in my Samsung Galaxy A16. Now my friends and family, they can get internet from my phone. Now if you decide to turn off Wi-Fi hotspot, you can go again here in this settings section, click here connections, and then click here mobile hotspot and tweeting, and you can simply turn this off. Also, there's another quick shortcut way to turn on or off mobile hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy A16. For that, you need to just swipe down this quick access area, and then you will find there something say mobile hotspot. If you touch over there, immediately your phone going to be turned on mobile hotspot. If you decide to turn off mobile hotspot, you can again swipe down just like this in this quick action area, and you can simply turn this off. So within this simple way, you can easily turn on mobile hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy A16. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.